questions.
School bus. A yellow school bus. Where should the school bus park? Number 1. Yellow spot. Green. An orange green. Where should the green park? Number 2. Orange spot. Fire truck. A red fire truck. How about the fire truck? 3. Red spot. Garbage truck. A green garbage truck. How about the garbage truck? Number 4. Green spot. Train. A blue train. Where should the train park? Number 5. Blue spot. Police car. A black police car. How about the police car? Number 6. Black spot. Auto rickshaw. A purple auto rickshaw. Where should the auto rickshaw park? Number 7. Purple spot. Ambulance. A white ambulance. Where should the ambulance park? Number 8. White spot. Motorbike. A brown motorbike. How about the motorbike? Number 9. Brown spot. Bicycle. A pink bicycle. Where should the bicycle park? Number 10. Pink spot. Subway. A gray subway. How about the subway? Yes. Number 11. Gray spot. Pickup truck. A maroon pickup truck. Where should the pickup truck park? Number 12. Maroon spot. School bus. Crane. Fire truck. Garbage truck. Train. Police car. Auto rickshaw. Ambulance. Motorbike. Bicycle. Subway. Pickup truck. Taxi.
Taxi!
A yellow taxi.
Taxi!
Where should the taxi park? Number 1. Yellow spot. Tractor. An orange tractor. Where should the tractor park? Yes, number 2. Orange spot. Double-decker bus. A red double-decker bus. How about the double-decker bus? Number 3. Red spot. Schooner. A green schooner. Where should the schooner park? Perfect. Number 4. Green spot. Cyclo. A blue cyclo. How about the cyclo? Yes, number 5. Blue spot. Limousine. A black limousine. Where should the limousine park? Number 6. Black spot. Tram. A purple tram. How about the tram? Yes, number 7. Purple spot. Container truck. A brown container truck. Where should the container truck park? Number 8. Brown spot. Horse-drawn carriage. A pink horse-drawn carriage. How about the horse-drawn carriage? 9. Pink spot. Van. A white van. Where should the van park? Number 10. White spot. Taxi. Tractor. Double-decker bus. Schooner. Cyclo. Limousine. Drum. Container truck. Horse-drawn carriage. Van.
See you next time!